Hello and welcome to ArtiGenius. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to register as a tutor on the platform. Let's begin. Open your browser and visit www.artigenius.com. Once the homepage opens, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Get Started. Click on it. A small pop-up will now appear with two options: Join as Student and Join as Tutor. Since you're here to teach, click on Join as Tutor. You'll now be taken to the tutor registration page. Now let's start by filling out your basic details to create your tutor account. First, enter your full name, just the way you want it to appear on your profile. This will help students easily recognize and connect with you. Next, type in your email address. Make sure it's valid and active, because you'll receive important notifications here, including student inquiries and booking confirmations. Now enter your mobile number. This adds an extra layer of verification and helps us keep your account secure. Then, create a strong password for your account. Choose something you can remember, but make sure it's safe and secure. Take a quick moment to double-check everything. Once you're done, click on the button at the bottom that says Join as a Tutor to move to the next step. And just like that, your tutor account is created. Now let's personalize it so students can find and choose you easily. The next screen is about your teaching category. Choose the subject area you want to teach, like art, dance, music, or literature. Select the one that best matches your expertise and click Next. Now, choose your primary specialization within that category. For example, if you selected music, you might choose keyboard, guitar, or classical vocal. This helps students understand exactly what you teach. After making your selection, click Next to continue. Now let's select your preferred mode of teaching. You can choose one or more from online, offline, or hybrid if you're open to both. Pick the option that suits your style and availability. Tip: selecting multiple modes helps you reach more students. Click Next once you're ready. Now it's time to complete your personal and profile details. On this page, enter your date of birth, choose your country, and enter your city of residence. These details help local students find you more easily. Up next, we highly recommend uploading a clear profile photo and, if possible, a short introductory video. A friendly photo and a short video introducing yourself builds trust and helps you stand out to students. Once you're done, click Next. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up as a tutor on ArtiGenius.